and how each letter is behind the animal. All right, sit back. You can see it. You know what it is. Sit back. Sit back. Sit back. And you see how there are letters in the types of places they're supposed to be. So you're gonna match the animal and the supplement. The jellyfish. Okay. We will talk about that when we get into the game. Okay. So you're gonna match. Let's say I get a Z. I spin a Z on this board. Okay. I'm gonna say, oh, it's zebra. It starts with Z. Where is the Z on the board? Can you make a point to where the Z is on the board? That's a V, David. A Z. So I'm gonna put my zebra where he belongs. Just like how if we were in school and we saw all those animals, we'd try to put them where they belong, right? Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to spin, and whatever letter you land on, these don't matter, by the way. Whatever letter, Lacey, you pay attention? Whatever letter you land on, that's the animal you get, okay? And you try to figure out where to put them in the zoo. Exactly. So, while you're waiting for the person to go, you're going to write. Are we paying attention or are we looking at them? I want all eyes up here. When somebody spins this, and let's say, we'll go back to how I got zebra, it would be my turn to figure out where the zebra goes. We're going to give you guys whiteboards, and you're going to practice writing the uppercase and the lowercase of each letter, okay? Griffin, you're going to, whatever letter you land on, okay, everyone else is going to be writing the letter except for you. You're going to be figuring out where the animal goes on the board, okay?
All right, David, so you can take one marker and one tissue and then pass it around the circle, okay?
And I'm going to hand out whiteboards.
Can you pass that to Griffin? Or, okay, that works too.
Pass it down, all the way down, keep going. Keep going, Griffin. Pass it down.
David, keep passing it.
Keep going, David.
Pass it to Austin.
Griffin, we cannot hit our friends.
One more time, Griffin, you're coming with me.
Keep going.
Austin, pass it to Harper.
You guys haven't finished yet, right? Keep passing it to Harper. This seems more difficult than it should be.
Griffin, is this your
Okay,
paper?
there we go. Did everybody get a marker? Get a marker and a tissue, okay? Pass them down. Wait, did you get a board out? There you go.
You need an N.
Hannah, can I borrow you just 1 second? Here for 1 second.
I found
Okay, I'm gonna probably start with the person who's been sitting here and the quietest and has been paying attention and has just been overall being a great kid. I'm gonna wait till all the markers are handed out. Griffin.
That's all I need. Looks like this. Here's a C.
Pass it down. There we go.
N, C. Now you need
Keep
an
going. Alright, so everybody has a marker? Put up your markers.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Everybody has a tissue? Put up your tissues. Everybody have a board? Alright, so now we're going to start. I'm going to start with Hannah because she's been paying attention this whole year. So Hannah, you can go ahead and either click it or spin it, whatever your heart desires, okay?
An H.
Alright, so what did you land on? An L. So everybody write an L and an uppercase and a lowercase while Hannah figures out where her L animal belongs in the zoo. Yeah, it takes some time. You can always go through the ABCs on the top.
I like lunch. On the last page, it's I like lunch.
So she found an L, and what animal is it?
Tiger.
A lion, because lion starts with an L. Good job. Can I see everybody's L's?
This is not working.
Griffin, I can tell it's working just fine. Great job. All right, erase the board. Erase it. All right, now it's going to be Emily's turn because Hannah put her lion in her L part of the zoo. Alright, so go ahead, Emily.
Now you're gonna write
What'd you get? You got what?
up here.
Two letters.
Now, can you find an L?
And S. Thank you for helping everyone. But let her try to figure it out for a little bit, okay? So, can everybody write an uppercase and a lowercase S for me while Emily finds out where to put
That is a
it?
cat.
Alright? Alright, Emily. Let's find her S animal. That was an accident, right? Right? Alright, Emily, you want to go through the alphabet? Do you want to try it out loud? Can we all do it together? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, O, P, Q, R, S.
Hey, Harper,
Yes.
look at
Wow.
and look at that.
What do
You
we
see
think
the
that
S on
is?
the board? How do your S and that S look different?
Seal.
Do you see anything that looks
Where do you
different?
find S on this board? Where do you find S on this board?
Harper, is your name Emily? Oh, sorry, I asked her to find the S for me. How does it look different? Does it look different than
Fantastic. Can we
yours?
say good job, Emily?
Yeah. How does it look different?
All right. So now it's Lynn Lacey's turn.
Right, we started
Oh, well, I
this
saw them
way.
all, but thank you, Nevaeh. Go
Right?
ahead, sweetheart. You got X?
Yeah, do you want to erase and try it again?
So, can everybody practice writing their X's while Lacey figures out where her X animal belongs? Alright, so you can come over and look in closer because I know it's hard to see from over there.
We're going to start, when we write our S's, we're going to put our pencil down, or our marker. We're using markers, not pencils. We want to go to the
Oh, she found it so
left
fast.
first,
Where does it
okay?
belong?
How many X's on yours?
So many.
Right.
But
When
can you
you
draw a
put your marker
lowercase one
down,
too?
go this way.
And we gotta let Lacey figure it out. Okay?
Go ahead and
Fantastic
do your
job.
X and we'll keep working
Can we
on
say
it,
good
okay?
job, Lacey?
Good job, Lacey.
Alright, Nevaeh, it's your turn now, okay? Everybody can erase their boards if they're done writing them. If you already have a letter that's been used, you can go again. I'll let you go. What'd you get? An O. Okay, so everybody, let's practice writing our uppercase and lowercase O's while Nevaeh looks for her O animal.
L like lion, like.
David, can you practice writing your uppercase and lowercase O's?
You can sit right there.
It is lunch. Did you find your O?
Oh gosh, I don't know, but I'm hungry too.
There we go. She found a note. Do you know what animal that is? An ostrich. And where's the one? Can we say good job, Nevaeh? All right, you guys can erase your boards, and we're going to move on to Griffin. Nevaeh, can you sit back so you can see? That's okay. All right, Griffin. Yeah, he's just getting ready. We're okay. You guys are doing such a good job. I'm going to give all of you. This is amazing. What'd you get?
I got no
You got it.
What is that one?
Q. No, that's going to be hard. Let's practice writing our uppercase and lowercase Q's, everyone.
I found it already.
Woohoo! So where does it belong?
Now you need lunch. Can you find an L?
Oh, that's actually pretty.
Yeah, it belongs right there. Yeah, that was great. You know what animal that is?
You didn't get your
I know because you did it so fast. Do you guys know what this
Now
animal
all
is?
you're doing is putting together your
chicken.
It looks like a chicken, right? And it kind of,
Pigeon.
it's a quail. When we say quail, quail.
No, I thought it was a pigeon. It looks like a pigeon.
But Griffin just went and he got it right, so can we say good job, Griffin?
Good job, Griffin.
Great. All right, David, it's your turn.
That's okay.
So you go ahead and spin it as fast as you can.
So that it looks like this.
Yeah, there we go. What'd you get?
And now you have this.
An M. So can we practice writing our lowercase and uppercase M so David goes and finds his M animal?
You have
Animal.
Legos. And now an
So
E.
let's try to find the M. You
So
can
you
always
got
go
light
through your A to
blue.
Z's if you can't figure it out right.
Uppercase I.
You can keep writing them again and again if you're done already. That was pretty quick.
What are we doing? What are we gonna do?
Griffin, you're writing, Griffin, write an uppercase M and a lowercase M.
Birthday girl.
Griffin, you were kind of talking the whole time, so maybe you can try to write it instead of talking. Okay?
Marvelous job, girl. Let me
I know
go
you
get your
did
candy
good.
bar, too.
Alright, where can we put the M for the monkey, David?
Like this.
L.
Yeah, that's actually
La. No.
Where's an M?
No.
You can always go through the ABCs again if you can't figure it out. We're
Like.
not talking about that right now, remember?
Lunch. Let me go get some candy bars, too.
Can we help them out? Can we go through the ABCs together? Ready? All together. A,
B, C, D, E, F, G,
H,
I, J, K.
L, M. M! You got it! And that's where your monkey belongs. Can we say good job, David? Good job, David. Uh-oh. Ox. Alright, so now it's Austin's turn.
Hey, do that W, do the W.
Hold on, it's his turn, alright?
A.
You got A? Alright, let's practice writing our uppercase and lowercase A's. While Austin figures out where his A animal goes.
I'm giving this group for working so hard.
What's the first
No,
one?
it doesn't stick to you. Guess what?
What do you think that is?
Made of
An alligator. And where do alligators belong?
I flipped mine and put them down.
I didn't see any A's
What I'm
done.
gonna do,
I didn't see any
fill it
A's
all
done.
up right here. And I
Perfect.
want you to do this.
And he got it where it belongs. Can we say good job, Austin?
Good job, Austin.
You need to know that
All right.
words are made of letters. Words are made of letters.
Okay, Harper.
Now make it again. Where's the uppercase I?
You can try again. That was a good one.
Okay. So look.
You got an E? She got an E. So can we write our uppercase and lowercase E's? Because we're using the alphabet side, not this side,
Like,
okay?
what's that word?
Practice writing your lowercase and uppercase E's while Harper figures out what her
Make it
animal
again.
is
Right out of these
and
letters.
where it belongs.
You found it. Okay.
Find the
You've
E
got
animal.
lunch,
Is it near the bottom of the alphabet or the top of the alphabet?
like,
Hey, I can see that.
after it off.
I don't see your lowercase letters on it.
Like, I like lunch. Oh,
Beautiful. Can I see an uppercase? You got it, and that's my favorite animal. Where does it belong?
Lunch.
Where does it belong?
You like it so much you
Where's
did
the letter on this board?
Alright, you want to take one off?
Oh, she got it. Can we say good job, Harper? That
Harper.
was beautiful.
On the book.
That's what Emma. See, that's one down.
That's Emily. What? Okay. I did? Oh, my bad. Sorry. Okay. Hannah, go ahead.
Okay, you're not
David and Griffin, are we paying attention?
adding any more to it.
Harper, are we paying attention?
Oh.
Oh, you want to do this? Okay. All right, so we're going to write our uppercase and lowercase C's while Hannah finds her Z animal. It's just a little one.
And
Everybody.
No, Hannah, go ahead.
It's
And Hannah got it. What is this?
a zebra.
Zebra.
I didn't get it right either.
put
Because
I,
we're talking again, remember? Great job, David.
H, H.
All right, Emily, go on ahead. Spin as fast as you can.
Fantastic job.
Not right now, okay?